We're here actually with DJ Cassidy. How are you?
I'm great. It's early. I only slept a few hours, but for Russell Simmons, we get up.
We do get up for Russell Simmons. We're asking DJ Cassidy, do you think that Stevie Wonder will compete in this season's Dancing with the Stars? What do you think?
I think he should, because that man can do anything. I don't care if he can't see, but he can play music better than anyone, he can sing better than anyone, and he probably can dance better than anyone. So I haven't heard that rumor, but
yes, he said if he has 7 kids, he can do something rhythmically. So
he definitely can.
So between the Pittsburgh Steelers and the Cardinals, which one do you think is going to win the Super Bowl?
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh.
I'm going with Pittsburgh all the way. Who
Really?
you going for?
I think I'm going to go with Pittsburgh as well. I don't know, but
I was going to have to beat you down if you was talking about Arizona.
I mean, the Cardinals, they kind of cool, but they the underdog in this one.
I like the underdog, but
They haven't been
gotta
to the
go
Super
with
Bowl since
Pittsburgh.
1947, so that might be a bit of a problem.
that's okay. I believe in the underdog. They're going to put a good fight up, but they're not going to do it. No cigar.
No cigar, but definitely. So we're going to go for the Pittsburgh Steelers. So it is a unified yes between Takara and I.